Powerdirector 17, let's go for a zoom in out effect that you can use in your videos, in the middle of your videos, at the end to give it a little pizzazz. So how do we do this? We're going to need some video clips and we're going to need some music. And you can get music off of YouTube for free. So what I normally do is I grab the clip, bring it down, drop it in the timeline, and that is way too much clip. So I'm going to take a small portion of that, maybe about 30 seconds or so, and then I'm going to actually clip it. So I clicked over here to put my timeline there. And then I'm going to click over here to actually split it. Boom. And then I'm going to get rid of this at the end by clicking it and hitting the delete key. I don't want any sounds, so I'm going to link and unlink the video sound. And I'm going to click it on the sound and hit delete. So I've got one clip. Need another one. So okay, we're going to grab this one and bring it down. This one ain't that long, so I might just keep the whole thing. Again, I'm going to right click on the clip, link unlink video by right clicking on it, and you'll see a line has been produced right across the middle there showing it's unlinked. Now both of these are in blue. We only want one in blue, so I click that one. Then I hit the delete key, and then it's gone. If I would have clicked it before both being blue, I would have deleted both. I need another one, so I guess I'll grab this one, and I'll pull this one down. Again, right click, unlink audio, single click on the bottom of the audio, hit delete. So I've got 3 clips. Now you can do this over and over and over as long as you want. We're going to go to, over here on the left side, you see where it says the lightning room. We're going to go F8 or the transition room is where we're going to go. We are going to scroll way down to the bottom. And we've got to zoom in, out, zoom in and out and back, zoom out and in, and a zoom out in back. Now you can put your mouse over it, kind of see kind of what the effect's like and get an idea. I'm going to choose the first one and I'm going to drop it right on the clips that I clipped. So right in the middle there is where I'm going to put it. See that? And then release my mouse button. So find the zoom in, zoom one out you want. Drop it on the video, let go. And that's it. Now, you need to modify this, okay? So, we're going to expand it because I really can't see them. I mean, you see them a little bit there, but I really don't see them. So I want to expand the film to view the entire movie, and then it's actually going to let me see them easier. See how they're popping up easier now over here? So that lets me see them a bit easier. So then I'm going to click on the blue. Up here at the top, it says Modify. I'm going to click on Modify, and that allows me to edit just this one transition that I'm playing with here. No, if I hit play, it's really kind of slow. See that? It's really not that fast. It doesn't give it a whole lot of pizzazz, really. When things run that slow, it's going in and out very slow. So, when it comes to Powerdirector 17, we want that not to take as long as it's actually posting there. So click on your modify. It's set to a 2. We're going to change that to a 0. I'm going to click on the next one and I'm going to set that one to 15 also. And depending on how many you got and how many you decide to put in there, like I said, by all means, just click on the actual transition, go to modify, and then set whatever number you want. Obviously, the smaller the number, the faster it's going to be. So now when we actually play it, We have no sound whatsoever. If you find this is too slow, you can cut it, a lot closer. We should get into our zooming part right here. And you'll see how quickly that zoomed in. So by modifying our transition, we can make that zoom faster or slower. Just by cutting your clips closer together, you can make it more pizzazzy, more quicker, give that drama type of effect. Drop some music in. And you're ready to go to create your effect on how you want it to sound. And that's all there is to it. So make sure in Powerdirector 17, you go over to the lightning bolt and you check your transition room, because there's a lot of effects in here that you could actually be using in your videos to achieve what you want. And normally what I did when I first started with Powerdirector 17 or any other Powerdirector, just go in here and cut a whole bunch of different clips of videos you've taken and start adding some of these transitions and see the type of effects you like. When you have the ones you like, you'll probably end up using them in your videos over and over because they have become your favorites. At any rate, guys, go check it out. Powerdirector 17 has some really cool transitions. Catch you guys on the next one.